Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Fox Knives Vox Core Liner. Overall length is 7.5 inches, blade length 3 inches, and it is N690 Co. This one has the coated blade on it, and the handles are 4.5 inches in length. They are FRN, or fiberglass reinforced nylon. This model has the OD green handles on it, and it's got that tip up right or left-handed wire pocket clip on it. That's a pocket clip I really like. It's very functional. So for this model, we've got the OD green with the black coated blade, and you've also got other options like this black FRN with a stone-washed blade. Now the overall weight on this guy is 4.75 ounces, and here is a tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it. So guys, go ahead and check this knife out. Buy it at bladehq.com. This is the Fox Knives Vox Core.